Hello everybody and welcome to a brand new Chef Day video. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. It's Freaky Friday, so we're going to be doing a Halloween inspired snack. This is coming from the movie Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. We're going to be doing a apple spiced cupcake with vanilla buttercream, and it's going to look absolutely amazing. If you guys want to know the full recipe, I'm going to leave it just here right on the screen. So pause it, write everything down, and let's get on with the video. First, you need to preheat your oven to 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit. While the oven is heating, now it's time to make the cupcake mix. I'm using a pre-made cupcake mix, but if you want to, you can make your own, which is no problem at all. For this recipe, I'm using 2 medium eggs and 120 milliliters of water. Mix everything together until nice and smooth, and then add half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix again and then place to the side. We're going to grab our cupcake tray, and we've already filled these with the cups already. Here you have some pre-made apple pie mix. You can buy these in any supermarket. If you prefer not to, you can add fresh apples instead. Fill the cups up with a quarter of the cake mix, and then add the apple pie filling into the center, and then top up with the rest of your cake mix. Repeat the process to all of the cakes, and then bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. While your cupcakes are cooking, let's start making the buttercream. Get 300 grams of unsalted softened butter and 600 grams of icing or powdered sugar. Grab your electric mixer and start to mix the butter in. Add in the icing sugar a little bit at a time. Also add 1 tablespoon of milk to help loosen the buttercream. Now add your red food colouring. The more food colouring you add, the more vibrant colour you'll get. Once you've done that, place into the fridge just to chill, and let's see how the cupcakes are. Take your cupcakes out of the oven and onto a cooling rack to cool down completely. And grab your chilled buttercream and place into a piping bag. With your piping bag, decorate your cupcakes with the red buttercream. Continue to do this with all of the cupcakes, and then we can add the final details. I've used some green fondant icing to create leaves and some chocolate sticks to become the apple cores. Add the sticks to the center of the cupcakes and then add your leaves. Continue decorating with the rest of the cupcakes. And then there you go. You've got your spiced apple cupcakes inspired from the Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs movie. Now place all your cupcakes on a tray and share out with your friends. So there you go folks, this is the spiced apple cupcake. Absolutely looks awesome. I'm really happy with the design of it. Hope you guys are inspired to do it. Let me know in the comment section if you do get to try it out yourself. Also, if you follow us on all our social medias, I'd love to see some pictures as well. Thank you very much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're brand new to the channel. Hit the notification bell for future videos because we've got lots of things that are coming up, including the Christmas season, which is just around the corner. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys very soon. Thanks very much. Bye.